Hello, I'm Martia Lamb. Welcome to my sheep gardening video. Now, once you get your free containers and you get your free soil put together, you can see my other video, how do you get it watered? Do you want to pay for an expensive watering system? No, we want it for free, almost free. So what do? We look in our trash. So if you like apple juice, you can have a watering system for your garden. So what you do is you take the container. If you want a smaller container, you can have a smaller container, but you're only going to get maybe a couple days worth of watering out of it. If you want it to water longer on its own, you need a larger container. So we're going to take the top, do a couple of holes. You can heat up like a thumbtack, or you can use a regular kitchen knife. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and screw it back on real nice. Well, after you put the water in there, of course. Of course, I don't believe in just regular water. I believe in manure tea water with a little bit of extra vitamins and active bacteria. So, feed your plant two different ways. So, you've got it all together, turn it upside down, and you put it near your plant, wherever your plant is, and it will water it. And you ask, how will it water? How are you sure? Well, first of all, you've got gravity. You've got capillary action as well. And once the sun hits the water, it's also going to draw that water down into the soil. You want to pre-water your soil so that you don't have your bottle being used up when you could have just watered it in the first place. You want the water to go for the future. So once you have this upside down, you check it every few days, make sure it's staying good. Other than that, you just sit back and let your garden water itself. Thank you. If you want to look at the manure tea video, I have that one. I also have the tire video. Check it out.